Okay, I'm back. Now, I'm going to give you some lessons in cleaning up snow. Number one, lots of strong coffee. Number two, hope that somebody has a broom or a scraper in their car. But this situation, yeah, I'm not so fortunate. And good tread on the tires, and you can see there's actually very little tread at all. So I'm going to use this is a hand with a glove, to actually scrape the snow off the car. See, it's as good as new. The mirror, windshield, hood. Yeah, this is the Colorado version of cleaning off this car when there is snow. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Is my hand cold? Not yet. It will be. Huh. How about this back window? Yep, we got that too. All right. Now, as you can see, coffee does it. This is as good as new, like nothing ever happened. Merry Christmas. Really.